Totoo talaga ang kasabihan na sa bawat karanasan ay doon tayo makakapulot ng aral at sa bawat insulto, doon tayo mas naging matatag. Ang buhay ay isang mahabang paglalakbay na puno ng iba't ibang karanasan, masaya man o mapait. Ang mga pagsubok gaano man ito kahirap ay nagsisilbing hagdan sa ating pag-unlad. Ang bawat insulto, bawat pagbagsak ay nagtuturo sa atin kung paano bumangon ng mas malakas at mas matatag. Ang mga aral na ating natutunan mula sa mga karanasang ito ay nagiging bahagi ng ating pagkatao na humuhubog sa atin upang maging mas matibay, mas matalino, at mas maging handa sa mga pagsubok at hamon ng buhay.
Good afternoon. So today is December 16. So no budget challenge for fixing the hair. So I feel like what you call that, guys. I need to cut this one again. So no budget challenge because my budget is already what you call that spent to the Christmas gift, and I'm shy to ask my partner because we spend much money for the Christmas and the birthday. So I will make a way by my own. So we're just here in the kitchen tayo, guys. So I feel ikakat ko siya kasi mataas-taas pa siya din. Pasensya na kayo sa nails ko kasi hindi ako cleaning pa. So I will make ready this one for next day. Next day is a party. Out of budget. So muna hukukira, guys, nga walay kwarta. Huh? Not always need to go to salon. You do it yourself. Do it yourself with love and care, tender care. Charot! So dili ko magpakuan kay salon. Kaya I don't have budget no more. I'm just asking get my sister to help for kuan. For the church. I have still what you call that, candy, but it's not a lot. No? Good luck. Ooh. No budget challenge. Kaya bisyosa man tang mugwapa ta, guys. So no budget, do it yourself. So, this is it, pansit. Good luck sa resulta. For me. Taas-taas pagod siya, guys. Pero no. It's alright. Baby, get to the night. Pagwapa ta kay party na. Charot. Good luck. Hindi ni mamao ah. Hindi ni mamao guys. Dool tag kuan salon. Ipuso na to na atong buhok. Kay buhok is kuan. Sagrado na nga buhok. I'm not what you call that. Expensive mama. So, ah! Oh. Sumubo-mubo na siya. Isyagi na to pag-ayo. Ato na naon dito para di na makita tong kimbot-kimbot. Pwede ba siya mubo kayo guys? Oh. I'm hairstylist by my own. Cheers! So no budget challenge. Nga magpagwapa. Kay Pasko na. Charot. Then pugungan dayo no. Sige ra tang kapugungan eh. Ay di magkadimao. Oh. Ipasalon. Enough na ni eh. Mo straight ra ni siya guys. So our next step is coloring our hair. So it's going more beautiful. Para nilang maibog ng akfam. Asa ka? Ambisyosa ka explore ni. Wanay maibog ni mo eh. Kay tiguwang na ka. Hindi ba? So, mangita tas atong coloring. So guys, guwapa ta guys. 60 pesos lang siya guys from Unitap. So I used it before, but now I need to retouch my hair because I have a lot of, you know, So inani jud siguro ni magkatiguang guys. Magkadaghan ang buhok. So is Ashley Shine, then Bio-Organic. So it's 7-3 color, light gold, blondie, light gold. So it's a quick fix for low budget tips. So di na kinahanglan ka magpa-kuan guys. So kuan naman siya, wala naman. Oh, fuck. Let's try. Wala naman na siya puti. Ako man to. Namutakin natin guys. Good and one naman siya. Ano siya puti. Good luck sa resulta. So this is a recent color that prevents that hair. 100% long lasting. Ganahan ko niya guys kay ako na may magkuros kung no. Kaya kuan na niya resulta niya kay kuan. Shiny yung buhok kung ambot lang. Let's try. dili na po siya mukha niyang color sa kanang kini, mahugasan ra po ni siya. Kaya organic man siya. Ito mo ko guys, para di maklaro. Palabantaan ni guys, low budget. Nah, love yourself by yourself. Buyers, see you. Thank you for watching. I will show you the result. Bye. Hello guys, so this is the result of the one that I do the other day, December 16, I think. Yeah, 16. Yeah, I cut my hair because I want to change it. Then I put color. You can see. Then this is the so I do it myself. Because no budget, low budget. Then it's make my hair really, what you call that, not really heavy. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.
Value your peace more than anyone's opinion, more than any criticism that affects you negatively. Value yourself regardless of anything, and never let the negative words the world throws at you affect you. Remember, you are worth so much more.
Walked in a stalemate